the yield on the 10-year Treasury note started the day yesterday above that 3% level, giving stock traders a reason to sell early in the day. But by mid-afternoon, when the sky had not fallen as a result, buyers stepped in, responding to better-than-expected earnings. This morning, that 10-year yield has dropped below the 3% level, and earnings reports continue to impress. I've jotted down the names of at least 24 big companies that have reported earnings since last night. I can't find one that failed to meet analyst expectations. Among those companies, standouts include Chipotle Mexican Grill, Facebook, and General Motors. Chipotle announced a $1 billion stock buyback, a 2.2% increase in same-store sales. Those shares up about 13% in the pre-market. Facebook shares 7% higher as operating income increased by 64%. And General Motors' $1.43 of operating profit came in 19 cents ahead of the consensus estimate. Those shares spiked higher this morning, then dipped into the red on concerns about rising input costs, but they've now recovered most of that loss. Ford shares up 1.5% after their report last night. European Central Bank kept interest rate policy unchanged this morning. Asian markets mixed, Europe mostly higher, and adjusted for fair value, S&P 500 futures are up about 14 points. Dow futures up 82.